Welcome back. I forgot what to say. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another episode. Today, I had a line, but I forgot what it was. Oh, it's been a little while.
YouTube.
All right. Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Nothing much has changed, but today's a very special day. We got this thing here. Very interesting story. So yesterday I was washing my car. One of my neighbors came through. He's like, hey, I have an exhaust for this car. I was like, really? He's like, yeah, I'll sell it to you for 80 bucks. I was like, 80 bucks? I was like, all right, let's go check it out. Go check it out. It's just this giant thing for 80 bucks. How could I resist? So I said, sure, I'll buy it off of you. I haven't paid him yet, but I'm gonna install it anyways. I'll pay him back soon. Don't worry, Don Pedro. I'll pay you back. And but anyways, like my first video, we're gonna do exhaust again. It got actually very popular. I'm surprised. I don't know how. I don't know why. But we're gonna do the first actual performance mod on the BRZ. Now keep in mind it is 80 bucks, so I don't expect much from it. And if I don't like it, then I will. No, don't show that. If I don't like it, I'll sell it. And then if I like it, I'll keep it. If I don't, well, yeah. Anyways, let's just get right into it, yeah?
Does that say D-Spec?
No.
Oh, hi.
Oh, yeah. Pretty high, huh? You don't have to follow me, bro. You can record George if you want. Go higher.
Whoa.
Go higher. I don't... Okay. More? No, I think that's good.
Hey, drop it?
No, no, not drop it. I wanna die.
Why'd you make that face?
It's looking like nothing, dude.
12, maybe? Yeah.
What are you doing right now, Mark?
The chrome. I said, checking to see if the thing fits so we can take it off.
What side are you on?
This side. The side that I'm
Oh, yeah.
oh, is it the right side? Let's go, it is. What the heck is loose already? What the heck? Or is it spinning? No, it's not spinning it. What the?
No way.
Yeah, it's already loose.
It's probably all the time you scrape.
I know, huh? Okay, now it's spinning. Yes. Assist the damage on my exhaust.
I was about to say, let's go.
What the? I paid 60 bucks for this. This little pipe, I paid 60 bucks.
This is ugly.
I know.
Should run it.
I know.
Look it. Is this a stock tip?
Put no like. Yeah, it's a stock tip. Alright, let's compare and contrast. Pretty much the same. Alright, now I need help actually.
No.
Okay.
You left the rubber piece on the... What about that?
Mark, explain what's going on.
Alright, so pretty much when we get the flux capacitor connected to the catalytic converter, we're gonna infuse the two neutrons. It's gonna give us fast noises, but be calm because it's normal. I'm just gonna let the new exhaust get used to the car. And I need to rest my neck. And so if the thing doesn't fit, then you just take off your diffuser if you have one, and then try not to break anything like George just did. And that's it, man. I just gotta get the diffuser off because it's not fitting. Oh, it's that's a 10 still. But yeah, that's it.
Well,
No, not you.
this one? You got roast in your arm.
No, I'm good.
You're gonna get tetanus.
You do yours first then.
Okay.
I'll do mine.
Oh, what's inside, bro?
Help me.
There. I'll hold this.
Wait, I need to push him over forward. Oh, it's stuck on the beeping. Ah! Beeping. Ah, man, I'm sorry.
No, I got something in my eye.
Okay.
Getting ready to record a live leak video.
Your holds are tight.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. It won't go in.
Push it up, or is that all it goes?
Hold it.
Yeah.
I'll start in 3, 2, 1.
$80 worth.
Alright. I got George doing the dirty work. And now we're just tightening everything up again, putting all the hangers on. Good job, George. Tighten that.
You owe me.
I don't owe you. Yeah. Not bad. Let's go see how it sounds on the road. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry for the hiatus. It was probably like half a year apart. It was like almost a year since I started this channel almost. Thank you guys for everything. Like, comment, share. Stop moving around, bro.
Subscribe.
I gotta move. Subscribe. And we'll bring you more content. I was supposed to.